You are not silent because your English is weak. You are silent because your brain was never trained to speak it. I learned this the hard way. I understood almost everything, but when it was time to speak, my mind went blank. And the moment I fixed how I was practicing, everything started to change. Most people think fluency comes from learning more words and grammar, but that is not the real problem. Fluency is about using what you already know. For a long time, I kept learning but could not speak confidently. Then I realized speaking is a skill, and it improves only when you train it directly. So I built a simple system that actually works. The biggest mistake that keeps you silent. The biggest mistake is not that you are not practicing. It is that your practice avoids speaking. Most learners spend their time consuming English through videos, podcasts, and reading. This improves understanding, but it does not prepare you to speak. It creates the feeling that you are improving, but when you actually try to speak, you struggle. I used to do the same thing. I could understand conversations easily and follow almost everything, which made me feel confident. But the moment I tried to respond, even simple sentences felt difficult. That gap between understanding and speaking was frustrating and confusing at the same time. That is when I realized something important. Understanding English and speaking English are completely different skills. One is passive, where you recognize and understand. The other is active, where you create and express ideas in real time. If you only train one, the other will always feel weak. Another big reason people stay stuck is the habit of translating from their native language. Instead of thinking directly in English, the brain tries to convert every sentence step by step. This slows everything down and creates hesitation, which breaks your confidence while speaking. You might have noticed this yourself. You know what you want to say, but there is always a delay before the words come out. That delay is not because you lack knowledge. It is because your brain is busy translating instead of expressing. Fluency is not about perfect sentences. It is about responding smoothly without stopping. And translation blocks that completely. The more you depend on it, the harder speaking feels. This is why learning more does not fix the problem. You do not need more input. You need the right kind of output practice. You need to train your brain to think in English, respond quickly, and speak without hesitation. And that is exactly what my system focuses on. The core speaking system that changed everything. The moment I stopped focusing on learning and started focusing on speaking, everything began to shift. But I did not just start speaking randomly. I followed a simple system that trained my brain step by step to think and respond in English without hesitation. The first step was daily self-speaking. Instead of waiting for someone to practice with, I started speaking alone for 10 to 15 minutes every day. I would pick simple topics like my day, my plans, or random thoughts and speak continuously. At the beginning, it felt uncomfortable and slow, but that was the point. My brain was finally being forced into output mode. The second step was removing translation. I made a strict rule that I would not think in my native language while speaking. Even if my sentences were simple or slightly incorrect, I continued speaking in English. This helped my brain slowly build a direct connection between thoughts and words without converting them. The third step was repetition with variation. Instead of memorizing sentences, I practiced expressing the same idea in different ways. For example, if I said something once, I would try to say it again using slightly different words. This improved flexibility and made my speaking more natural over time. The fourth step was shadow practice. I started listening to short English clips and repeating them out loud, matching the speed and tone. This helped me improve my flow, pronunciation, and confidence while speaking. The most important part of this system was consistency. I did not wait for motivation or perfect conditions. I practiced every day, even if it was just for a short time. Slowly, my brain adapted. Thinking became faster, sentences came more naturally, and hesitation started disappearing. This system works because it trains the exact skill you want to improve. Not understanding, not memorizing, but real speaking. And once your brain gets used to this, fluency stops feeling difficult and starts feeling natural. The turning point where fluency starts feeling natural. After following this system consistently, something unexpected started to happen. Speaking no longer felt like a task I had to force. It started to feel automatic. The same situations that used to make me hesitate began to feel easier and more natural. At first, the change was small. I noticed that I could respond a little faster. I was not searching for every word, and I was not pausing as much as before. My sentences were still simple, but they were coming out smoothly. That small shift was a big signal that my brain was adapting. One of the biggest breakthroughs was when I stopped worrying about mistakes. Earlier, I used to think about grammar while speaking, which slowed everything down. But once I focused only on expressing my idea, my flow improved instantly. I realized that communication matters more than perfection. Another important change was thinking directly in English. Earlier, there was always a delay because I was translating from my native language. But with practice, that habit started fading. Thoughts began forming directly in English, and this removed the biggest barrier to fluency. I also noticed that confidence is not something you build first. It comes as a result of taking action. The more I spoke, even with mistakes, the more comfortable I became. And that comfort made me speak even more, creating a powerful cycle of improvement. There were still moments where I struggled, but they did not stop me anymore. Instead of overthinking, I kept speaking and adjusted as I went. This mindset made a huge difference because I was no longer afraid of getting things wrong. This is the turning point most people never reach, not because it is difficult, but because they quit before their brain adapts. If you stay consistent with the right practice, your brain will adjust. And when it does, speaking stops feeling like a challenge and starts feeling natural. How you can apply this system starting today. Now the most important part is how you apply this in your own daily routine. This system only works when you turn it into a habit, not when you try it once and forget it. The goal is to make speaking a natural part of your day. Start with a simple rule. Speak every day, even if it is just for 10 minutes. Do not wait for a partner or perfect environment. You can practice alone, and that is more than enough in the beginning. Pick any topic from your daily life and speak continuously without stopping. The focus is not perfection, it is consistency. Next, remove the habit of translation. This will feel difficult at first, but it is necessary. Force yourself to think directly in English. If you do not know a word, do not switch back to your native language. Try to explain the idea using simple words you already know. This builds real speaking ability. You should also include repetition in your practice. Take one idea and try to express it in different ways. This improves flexibility and helps you speak more naturally. Over time, your brain becomes faster at forming sentences without effort. Another powerful step is shadow practice. Listen to short clips and repeat them out loud, matching the speed and tone. This helps improve flow and confidence. Even a few minutes of this daily can create noticeable improvement. Keep your routine simple so that you can follow it every day. 10 minutes of speaking, a few minutes of shadowing, and a conscious effort to avoid translation. That is enough to start seeing progress. Most importantly, do not judge yourself while practicing. You will make mistakes, and that is part of the process. Focus on expressing your ideas instead of being perfect. Fluency grows when you keep speaking despite imperfection. If you follow this consistently, your brain will adapt. And once that happens, speaking will no longer feel forced. It will start feeling natural, just like any other skill you have practiced enough. At the start, speaking feels heavy. You think about every word, every sentence, and every mistake. It feels like something you have to push yourself to do. But slowly, that pressure disappears. You stop thinking so much, and you start expressing more. Words come faster, ideas flow more easily, and conversations stop feeling stressful. One day, you notice something simple but powerful. You are speaking without forcing it. Not perfectly, but naturally. And that is when you realize you are no longer the same person who used to stay silent. Fluency does not arrive suddenly. It builds quietly in the background every time you choose to speak instead of staying silent. And once it becomes part of you, it stays. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.